Let's see what changes are needed for the rain notifier to work for your own area. First, let's open up a terminal window and navigate to desktop/GrovePi/projects/Rain Notifier and pay attention to the capital letters. They are important. Then edit the code by entering sudo nano is the editor, Rain Notifier.py. Scroll down past the licensing information until you see two lines containing some green text. The first line is where you will enter your own zip code, and the Rain Notifier has also been tested with Canadian postal codes. For this demonstration, we will use Dexter's Industries' own zip code. Be certain to leave the two single quotes. They are necessary. Then scroll down to the other line and replace your Wonderground API key with your own Weather Underground key, which you should have gotten earlier from their website. If you scroll down a little bit more, you will see the clear LED variable. It's currently equal to 8, and that represents port D8, where we have our blue LED. If you do not want to use a second LED, change this 8 to a -1. You could be done with your changes already, but we offer a few more options that could be of interest. Scroll down again. You will see a blink line currently set to true. If you do not want your rain LED to blink, you can replace true by false. The delay variable refers to how often Weather Underground will be pulled to update the weather. Right now it is set to every 5 minutes. That's 5 times 60 seconds. Don't pull more often than that, as the free account has a set limit. You could pull less often if you wanted to. The next two variables work hand in hand. They determine how much or how little rain can be tolerated. If you don't mind a little bit of rain and would rather not carry an umbrella, this is where you can set your threshold. The first variable indicates whether you're using the metric system or the imperial system. Set it to 1 for metric or 0 for imperial. The second variable has to do with the quantity of rain in the forecast. Currently set at 1, it means 1 millimeter if you're metric, or 1 inch if you're imperial. There's quite a difference between the two. And that's the necessary amount of rain in the forecast before an alarm is triggered. Last thing left to do is to save our changes and run the software. Press Ctrl X to exit, then Y to confirm your modifications, and Enter to use the same file name. Then to run the software, enter sudo python rainnotifier.py. And we will see that today we have no rain in the forecast.